Allison, I don't know if you really need this video or not, but I thought I'd go ahead and make it for you real quick. I just did a couple of the problems. I did 13 because that one has two shaded regions and you have to find the area of each and then add them together. So what you want to do there is find the area in pink, which is going from x equals -2 to 0. And I went ahead and did it without a calculator because I think this is one you would be expected to be able to do without a calculator because they're just polynomials. So you just do the integration and then you evaluate it from -2 to 0. And I got 8 when I did that for the pink part. And then you have to do it in a separate part for the green because the first part of the graph, the shaded region, the cubic function is on the top and the quadratic is on the bottom, and then they change places, obviously. So the second part in green, obviously you're doing the -x² plus 3x minus then the cubic function. And I just worked it out. I showed the math, and you can see I got 16 there, and that agreed with the back of the book. So I don't know if you needed that, but if you did, there it is. And then I looked at 17. I didn't do 15. I figured you could do 15 if I did 17. So you have two parabolas there, and what you want to do there, because they didn't give you the graph, is set the two equations equal to each other to find the points of intersection. And when you do that, you find that they intersect when x is 1 or -1. And then you can pick either equation, the 7 minus 2x² or the x² plus 4, and plug the 1 and the -1 in to get the outputs there. And you can see I got 1, 5 and -1, 5. So I know that's where they intersect, so that gives me my boundaries of integration from -1 to 1. And then the x² plus 4 parabola, I know that opens upward and that the vertex is at 4. So I just went ahead and plotted that. And then the other one, the 7 minus 2x², I know that opens downward and the vertex there is going to be at 7. So I just did a quick sketch there, and it's the shaded region in yellow that we're looking for. And again, I did the integration by hand because I think this would be one where you would be expected to do that without benefit of a calculator. So take a look at these. If you have any questions, we can talk about them. If you have other questions, feel free to send me pictures, and we can always chat tomorrow. Have a good night.